The causes. With the Portuguese arrival at the Indian Ocean in 1498, the Muslim traders request the help of the Mameluke king of Egypt, who, supported by the Republic of Venice, organized an expedition against the Portuguese presence in the Malabar coast. In 1508, the Mameluke fleet, under the command of Emir Hussein, fought against the Portuguese in Shaul. This first combat resulted in the loss of a ship and 200 men for the Portuguese, including the viceroy's son, Dom Lourenço de Almeida. Despite the Egyptian victory, its fleet lost its offensive capacity given the losses suffered.